This is a fantastic trade that we've taken so far. This is a fantastic trade that we have taken so far. And you can see that we are running on unbelievable profits. You can see it. We are running on some unbelievable profit. So like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. Follow us for account management, VIP signals, trading profit. You can see how much we are making so far. You can see, and the trade is still going to run. Don't worry, trade is still going to run. So follow us up for account management, VIP signals. If you watch my previous video, you will remember this account. That this is the account we've been growing from $2. This is the account we will grow for $2. So let us make massive profit. Just stay tuned. Don't skip any part of this. So you can see unbelievable profit that we are running on. You can see it. This is unbelievable. This is a massive profit that we are running on here. You can see for yourself. You can see this is a massive profit. Is a massive profit. So I will soon be closing. So just stay tuned while I close. I'll soon be closing because we've hit our target. Our target is 1,000. And if you look here, if you look on our margin here, you see that we have hit 1,000, which is here. If you look here, you see that we have hit 1,000. So I think it's high time not to be greedy. We should close with what we've achieved. It's coming down, so let's wait for it a little bit. It's coming down. Let's wait for it a little bit. Okay, so it has gone up again. You can see for yourself. You can see it's a massive trade. Guys. It's a massive trade. You can see it's a massive trade. You can see it's a real account. You can see that is a real account. It's massive. Okay, so let me close bit by bit. Let me be closing them bit by bit. Okay, bit by bit. Let me be closing. Them. You can see for yourself from 200 to 1,000. It's not easy. From 200 to 1,000, which is something very, very massive. From 200 to 1,000. You can watch the video, but I can see that we started from 200 and we ended at 1,000. You can see it's a massive profit. So we would have decided to still hold here, but we've already hit our target. We don't want to be greedy. So stay tuned as we grow the account more and more. Okay. So you can see this also. You can see for this one. You can see what is happening. So I'm still closing this one. This is massive. You can see how we turn an account. So come for account management, VIP signals. Come for some massive trading. You can see for yourself all these are very, very massive. You can see it. $5,400 worth of profit. You can see this is a signal that I dropped on my group. Okay, so this is my signal group. I dropped the signal here. This is the signal. That I dropped, and in less than 14 minutes, which is 7 minutes after I dropped it, it started running. And currently we have to close at 139. Okay, and then we have to send out the profit. This is it. It's so massive. So make sure you join to make more money. So you can still see how the trade is dangling over here, which means it's still going to go back up, but we've already closed. Let us manage the profit that we've made already from 200 to 1000 plus. It's not easy. So for those of you who want a trade like this, you can message me and we'll do it for you. It's a massive one. It's a massive one. Everybody's going to benefit from it. Everybody's going to make a huge amount of money from it. So like, subscribe, comment in the comment section, share the video with your friends and family, share with your loved ones also, so that they can also make money just the way you have made money. Thank you for watching. For the strategy of this video, you can message me for the strategy. You can message me for the strategy, or you check my previous videos. You're going to see the strategy there where we'll be making use of it to milk the market. This is so enticing, guys. So make sure you don't miss out. Make sure you don't miss out. This is one of a kind. So make sure you don't miss out.